Okay, family, look, today I just want to have a real conversation with you. I know my videos, I try to teach at least something different, something new, answer the questions, but I want to have a real conversation today. Not saying all my other videos is not a real conversation, but I want to have a real conversation with you today. Um, Man, you already know what's going on. What are you really doing? Are you fasting? Do y'all know that an autoimmune disease is your body really fighting against itself? It's just like some people, y'all just not getting it. An autoimmune disease or disorder or whatever your provider told you, your body's attacking itself. And the easiest thing to do is a fast. A fast. Everybody wants to eat all these snacks and not understand what the snacks doing to you. Family, you do not have to eat every 3 hours. You do not have to eat every 6 hours. You don't. Please, intermittent fast. Do it. Do a fast. Let me tell you. When I suggest going to bed on an empty stomach, you want your body to rest. Because the secret in the resting is your body's actually, come on, your body's like, oh, I I don't have to do anything. They stop feeding me. I mean, this is your body. Your body's talking to you. Y'all know I like the clowns. Y'all, come on. Y'all know I like the clown. Yo, your body, look, I'm gonna turn the mic to you. Turning the mic to you. You know that your body's like, yo, they finally let me rest. The liver's like, whoo, I don't have to process anything. My stomach's like, there's no digestion. Seriously, I can do correcting. I can start healing. I can start going out and get rid of things. I'm not digesting anything. My I don't know. I don't know what your body will call you. What your body's like, oh, they got it now. They're gonna let me heal. They're gonna let my body do what it's supposed to do. Look, when your body do not have any food to digest, your body actually starts the true detoxification. Detoxification, you guys got to look at it. Detoxification, your body's going there. Okay, let me fix this. Let me correct this. Let me get this out. Let me push this out. Let me do what I'm supposed to do. Yes, granted, you drinking water. When I can't say drink water, granted, if you have autoimmune disease or illness, that's your body attacking itself. Your body's attacking. Your body's like, oh, you didn't take care of your heart. You want to eat anything, fake food. You want to eat fake food. Let's be honest. Even I fall victim. We all fall victim. I'm not saying it's you and John. I fall victim. You think sometimes I want some cake and pies? I do. I'm not gonna lie, I do. But we gotta realize what we're doing to our bodies. We gotta realize we are not dying of natural causes. We're not. We're not. It's the only way we pass down a sickness or a disease is because we're eating the same thing they ate. I know you're like, Viola, you going raw. Look, go on my podcast. Go on Anchor. Listen what I say. I know I be cleaning up for YouTube. I be cleaning up. I be cleaning up for YouTube. But you guys got to realize an autoimmune disease is killing your body. It's literally you attacking yourself. That's like you in a fight and you kicking your own butt. You kicking your own butt. Why? Why? Reverse it. Change it. Change it. People think they can't get rid of asthma. People think they can't get rid of cancer. People think they can't get rid of these things. Study shows. Yeah, I know I'm just here talking. I am not a doctor. I'm just talking to you. But my melanated brothers and sisters, high blood pressure is an autoimmune disorder. Either you lack vitamins, We already know we lacking vitamins, especially that vitamin D. We already killing our microbiome because we're always stressed. Look, I'm not going to go too long, but think about fasting. Seriously, think about fasting. We want our bodies to heal itself. We want our bodies to heal itself. So I just thought I'd make this quick video to really tell you, because look, we are slowly killing ourselves. Whew. Free your mind. Stop killing yourself, please. Back away from the chips. Back away from all the sugar. Just back away. Give yourself, out of a week, give yourself 2 days. If not every 3 days. If not intermittent fast. You do not have to eat as soon as you wake up. You do not. What you want to do is grab your some 4 ounces of water with a little cayenne pepper. A little cayenne pepper. It goes a long way. I'm telling you, it goes a long way. So I do it all the time. I do it all the time because I can just go on and tell you all of my issues. Yes, you already heard my issues. You already heard my issues, gallbladder, look. All I'm trying to say, I'm turning the mic on you. When the last time you fast? When? Because y'all going to bed with a full belly and your body's not cleaning out like it's supposed to. Your body is not correcting like it's supposed to. Your body already know what to do, but we make it lazy. We make our body lazy. We really do. We take fake stuff and we eat fake stuff. Taking, meaning, we take over-the-counter prescriptions and don't really know what we're doing. We just guess because we got a runny nose. Oh, well, let me go take this and let me go take that. And you don't need it. Your body's expelling. Your body already know what to do. They're like, I got all this mucus. Let me get it out. Let me get it out. Same thing with a fever. Let me get it out. It all depends if your fever goes up to like 104, then there's something else going on. But if you got a little fever, let it take its course. Why you think they say starve a fever, feed a cold? Okay. Okay, so I'm off my rant. But please fast and cleanse your body. Look, it's springtime. It's springtime. It's springtime. But hi, family. Don't say, Viola didn't say anything. So yeah, no, I'm just thinking, just thinking. We spend all this money and all we need to do is fast. And we're not eating real food. We're not. Y'all can put down descriptions below. The mic is turned to you. The mic is turned to you. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right. All right. But you need to fast. Seriously, you need to fast. Just saying. Start the detoxification when you go to sleep. Why do you think I keep talking about all them doctors? I talk about all them doctors, talking about all them doctors for a reason. But look, I'm just saying. All right. All right.